What if the secret to a stronger, more passionate relationship isn't about spending more time together, but actually spending a little bit less? I know, it sounds totally backward, right? But stick with me, because this one simple shift might be exactly what you need to bring that spark roaring back to life.
I mean, really think about it. Be honest with yourself. Are you the one who always texts back in like 5 seconds flat? Do you drop everything the second they call? Is your calendar basically just a copy of their calendar? If you're kind of nodding your head right now, you might be accidentally smothering the very flame you're trying to keep alive.
Let me paint you a picture. Let's talk about Ben and Sarah. They've been together for about a year, and they're crazy about each other. But lately, things have just felt a little, flat. The excitement's gone, they're comfortable, sure, but maybe a little too comfortable. They're deep in what you might call the comfort trap. It's that place where passion just gets replaced by predictability.
And at the heart of their problem, it's this 24/7 availability trap. See, Ben, bless his heart, is always there for Sarah. He thinks he's doing everything right. But as we're about to see, sometimes the best intentions can totally backfire.
Okay, so this right here is so important. Look at the disconnect. You intend to show you're reliable, but what they feel is predictability. You want to prove your endless love, but the unintended impact is that you leave zero room for mystery, for them to even have a chance to miss you. You try to be their everything, and somehow it ends up feeling, well, kind of suffocating. It's a classic case of a good thing becoming too much of a good thing.
And oh man, Ben was feeling this one hard. He was just always there. He was a constant, and instead of feeling loved and appreciated for it, he was starting to feel like a piece of furniture, He felt completely taken for granted, and that spark he missed so much was fading fast.
So, what's the solution? What's the fix here? Well, it's not about playing games or being manipulative. It's about understanding the incredible power of healthy space. That's the real antidote to predictability. Come on, you've heard this a million times, right? It's a cliché because it's absolutely true. It's just human nature. We tend to value things that are a little bit scarce. When you're around 24/7, your presence, as amazing as it is, just doesn't feel as special. A little bit of absence, a little bit of space gives their brain a chance to actually think about you, to remember the good times, and to, actually miss having you around.
So how do we actually do this in the real world? Okay, here are some super practical steps. First, go make your own plans. Have hobbies, see your friends, have a life that is yours. This isn't for show, it's for you. 2, you don't have to reply to texts instantly. Again, not a game. You're just busy living that life we just talked about. 3, maybe ease up on the social media posts. Let there be a little mystery about what you're up to. And number 4, the big one, take a trip. By yourself or with friends, it's the ultimate way to show you're an independent, interesting person. Okay, let's jump back to Ben and Sarah, because Ben, feeling like he really had nothing left to lose, decides he's going to give this whole space thing a real try.
So he does it. He takes a deep breath and tells Sarah he's made plans. His friends are going hiking for the weekend, and he's going with them. Notice he's not asking for permission, right? He's confidently sharing a cool part of his own life with her.
And this is the moment that trips everybody up. This is where it gets real. Sarah's first reaction? She's kind of thrown off, a little annoyed even. Their routine is being disrupted. And Ben? Oh, his brain is just screaming at him, "You've made a terrible mistake. You're pushing her away. She's going to think you don't care anymore." That fear is so real and so normal. But what he did next, that's what changed everything.
Because even though he was terrified, Ben stuck to his guns. He was nice about it, but he was firm. He went on his trip. And while he was gone, after Sarah's initial flicker of annoyance started to fade, something else, something totally unexpected, started to bubble up. And this part is just brilliant. Before he left, Ben had accidentally on purpose left the ticket stub from their very first date in her car. So picture this. It's Saturday night, the apartment is way too quiet, and Sarah hops in her car to go run an errand, and she sees it. And boom, just like that, the magic of space starts to work. That little scrap of paper hits her like a ton of bricks. It unlocks all these memories of the beginning, the excitement, the butterflies, and in that quiet moment with him actually gone, she's not annoyed anymore, she just smiles. She remembers why she fell for him in the first place. And for the first time in a very long time, she really truly misses him. You see, creating space is only one part of the equation. The other part, the really important part, is becoming someone who is worth missing. And that whole journey, my friend, starts with you. This is the fun stuff. This is about becoming the most awesome version of yourself. So invest in yourself. Get that new haircut. Buy that shirt you've been looking at. It's not about being vain. It's about feeling confident. Go have a blast with your friends and come back with great stories to tell. Be a source of fun and positivity. Surprise her with little things, not out of obligation, but just because. The goal is to make the time you do spend together so amazing that your absence is really, truly felt.
And let me be crystal clear here, okay? This is not, I repeat, not about making your partner jealous or insecure. That's just toxic manipulation. This is the complete opposite. It's about showing them that you have this incredible, fulfilling life and that you're choosing to invite them to be a part of it. It's a gift, not a threat.
And when you boil it all down, that brings us to the real secret. It's not a tactic or a trick. It's a whole new way of looking at attraction.
True, lasting attraction, it's not built on neediness. It's built on security. It's about being a complete, interesting person all on your own. Your relationship should be two whole, happy people coming together to share their lives, not two halves trying to make one whole. A partner is there to complement you, not complete you.
So let's just flip the whole script. From now on, stop asking, how can I make them miss me? And start asking a much better question. How can I build a life that's so awesome that my presence is a total joy and my absence is naturally felt? When you put your energy there, into being the best version of you, the missing you part, it just happens. They won't be able to help it.
Hey, if this gave you a little bit of an aha moment, do me a favor and hit that like button. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more insights like this.
All right, I'm not going to let you go without a little homework. I want you to tell me in the comments below, what is one thing, it can be big or small, that you're going to do this week just for you to invest in your own awesome life? Drop in the comments. Let's make it happen.